Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide names and notifications in Snapchat app. Friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. So, if you want to hide the notifications that you get from the Snapchat app, and no matter what kind of notifications they are, for example, about someone's birthday or it's just a message from some person, a notification from some group, it's very easy to do it. To do this, you will need to open the Snapchat app. Next, go to your image in the top left corner to get to your profile. After that, click on the gear and hear a little bit about the sheet you will find the notifications section. Click on that. And here, if you have any notifications active, like birthday notifications, or any notifications from your friends, from any of your friends' groups, and so on and so forth. If you have any of these sections active, then you can just turn them off by clicking on this button here so that they're inactive, as I have them now. Also, another way to completely hide notifications from Snapchat is to go to your phone settings. Then scroll to the bottom, find Snapchat. Next, notifications. And this is where you can, if you don't have active, first of all, go to this section here and turn on Never, which means you will never get notifications. Or if you want to completely turn off all notifications from Snapchat, then you'll just have to click on this button right here. So as you can see, the notifications menu immediately disappears, which tells you that you will receive absolutely no notifications from the Snapchat app. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you soon.